Today, we will introduce Samuel-Case PP series. The PP products are suitable for temperature up to 8 degrees and are made of eco-friendly materials. Typically, a PP fitting consists of these following parts. PP fittings are generally suitable for different pipes. The threads are BSPT type, designed for connecting water supply pipelines in micro irrigation, drinking water, industrial and agricultural water systems. It is convenient to connect, easy to disassemble, flexible and convenient. It has a long service life, good stability, thick material with high hardness, strong toughness, and good compressive resistance. If you have any further questions about our PP products, please leave a message in the comment.